Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California again. I don't know, just not happy with what I've been getting today, and I guess I'm gonna try it one more time with this cloud paint. I guess I don't know if it's the paint or if it's just me. Maybe I'm just not doing this the right way. But I'm going to try it, and I'm going to do it over this again. And I just hope that I get something good. So here is a whole bunch of cloud paint that I'm putting down. And I do hope that I get something interesting out of this. And here we go. I'm going to pour it over here. I think you can see that. And this is Prism Violet by Liquitex. And I'll put a little cloud paint in between. And this is Pebeo Blue Green. And put a little cloud paint in between, a little drop. And we have Blick Metallic Teal. A drop of that cloud paint. I'm gonna go back to the violet. Might as well use up as much of these paints as I can. Go back to my metallic teal. And my violet. And my Pebeo. And my white. And my Blick. And my violet. So we're gonna finish it all up. And if this doesn't do it, I'm gonna call it a day. Then it's just not a good painting day. How about that? All right. So, do I do a ring pour from the middle? Let's start straight pour. All right. Okay. Well, I'm gonna sit this down. Let that sit for about half an hour. I think this one may work out a little better. Looks like I need some butane, so I'll fill up my torch. I'll shut the camera off for about half hour, and then we'll come back in a few minutes. Okie doke. We're back, and this is about half hour later, 40 minutes later. I did get some of those bigger cells, not as big as I thought I would get, but I do have this, I have this little double moon thing going on over here, which made me think that this kind of looked like snow. So I thought maybe I could put a tree in here. And so that's what I'm going to try. I'm going to try putting a little tree. I'm going to try swiping it in. And we'll see what happens. Try with my palette knife first. Let's just see if... I think that's good. So here we have another tree. So we have a cloud pour, another tree, and I think everything looks pretty cool. Who knows, we might have more snow up there when this is all done. But I love how it just gave me the moon all by itself, and that's what gave me the idea of putting a little tree in there. So thank you all for coming. Have a great day. Stay safe out there. Please subscribe. And give me a thumbs up. See you soon. Come back tomorrow for another pour. Pour a day. Thank you for coming. Be safe. Donna from Hollywood, signing off.